In this episode, we are in Ejisu, where another important market development is taking place as part of the move towards Ghana's 24-hour economy. This is the existing market area around the Ejisu Post Office, right along the Accra Kumasi Highway, the N6 National Highway. On market days, traders and buyers gather around this area, making it an important commercial point for Ejisu and the surrounding communities. But a new arrangement is now being developed. Behind the Ejisu Senior High School, work is underway to prepare another market area where the traders can be relocated. And using the drone, we are showing you the connection between the existing markets around the post office and the new location behind the senior high school. So when the new market area is ready, the traders can move in from the post office area to the new location. This will then create an opportunity for the existing market area to be utilized for the planned 24-hour economy market. And the location of Ejisu makes this development particularly significant. Ejisu sits along the major Accra-Kumasi transportation corridor, with constant movement of people, vehicles and goods between Kumasi, Accra and communities along the route. Beyond Ejisu itself, there are numerous farming communities supplying agricultural produce into the larger Kumasi market and other parts of the country. Farmers and traders can therefore benefit from having a market environment where buying and selling can continue beyond the traditional daytime market hours. A 24-hour economy can also create opportunities beyond trading itself. Transport operators, food vendors, storage businesses, security services, loading and unloading services, small businesses, and other supporting activities can all benefit from increased commercial activity. And for consumers and traders traveling from surrounding farming communities, extended operating hours can provide greater flexibilities to sell or purchase goods at different times. So what we are seeing here is more than simply the construction or preparation of another market site. It is part of a wider plan to reorganize the existing market space while creating the opportunity for the old location to serve as a new economic purpose. From the Ejisu Post Office market area along the N6 Highway all the way to the new site behind Ejisu Senior High School, our drone gives us a clear aerial picture of how these two locations are connected. As Ghana continues to develop its 24-hour economy, projects like this could become important commercial hubs for communities, farmers, traders, and transport operators.